Get started with Classflow right away with Instant Whiteboard. It's perfect for warm-ups, quick notes and diagramming, and more. Select the button from the home page to start your Instant Whiteboard session. This launches Lesson Presenter and gives you a blank card. Use the Pen tool to easily annotate. And add a card by going to Toggle Carousel and selecting Add Card. You can navigate between cards using the navigation arrows, or by simply selecting the card within the card carousel. You can also add text, shapes, or any of the tools within the toolbox. Pull in images that are already in your resources by selecting the Classflow menu, then Insert. Once at least one student has connected, sending content and polling are enabled. When your Instant Whiteboard session is complete, select the Classflow menu, then Exit. You will always be prompted with an option to save the session, so you may return to it later.